Hello guys, my name is Lokutai Brian. I'm a guide with Kara-Tunga, and my most favorite part is the interaction with nature. Like being around this area, green as it is, untouched, is what makes my heart feel happy. And my most favorite part is interpreting this for you who don't know much about this environment. And like in what I have in my hands here are some of the things I got as I was moving. This is, in the local language we call it ekibune, but the English name or the common name is the rubber vine. Yeah, it's only in Karamoja where you can get it, in Uganda. And when you go to other parts of the continent, for example, when you go to Madagascar or to the coast of Tanzania, around the Comoros Islands, you can get still this, but it's been used on a commercial scale. So what we've got here is called the rubber vine. In other parts of East Africa, like for example Tanzania, it's called mbungo, and it's a climbing shrub. And the fruits go, the tree grows and climbs over a huge tree so that it can get the sunlight on top. And here in Karamoja, it's used also for very many medicinal purposes. For example, people cut the bark. You can see already that somebody cuts the bark here just to get a small piece of it, so you can make a concoction medicinally to treat, for example, the stomach in case somebody has maybe ulcers. And even when somebody has eye contamination, you can get the sap or the latex from the bark and mix it with some water and use it to treat the eye congestion. But here it grows wildly, and it's one of my happy fruits that I usually like showing to my visitors. And this is its season now. This is one of the shell that has been already eaten, but it can grow as big as this, and this is a small one that somebody got from the tree and enjoyed it. And if you can look around this area, you can really feel at peace. Because of the COVID-19 situation, I know that you are unable to come and see this by yourself, but we are working on online tours to give a taste of many of the favorite things, like the trees, the shrubs, even the birds. So stay tuned. We shall be online, and you'll be able to learn very much more about Karamoja. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.